In our digitally saturated age, digital literacy is paramount for navigating life, akin to traditional literacy. Here, we unravel its importance and scrutinize fundamental concepts for students. As connected defines our state, we must conquer the web's intricacies. Internet safety goes beyond passwords. It shapes our digital footprint, an enduring online echo. We'll tackle the virality of misinformation and the shadow of cyberbullying, urging empathy and action. Stay with us as we dissect these complexities, illustrating the stark significance of digital awareness, knowledge, and action. Entering the fray of internet safety, we spotlight web-based perils. Every click is consequential, carrying both opportunities and risks. Your personal information is invaluable, akin to a treasured textbook, but more vulnerable. We face phishing scams and silent malware threats that can swiftly distribute your private data globally. Internet safety is your sentinel, a digital guardian. By learning about secure connections and crafting impenetrable passwords, we bolster our defenses. This discourse is only beginning. We'll soon delve into your digital footprint and its lifelong narrative. Every digital deed contributes to our digital footprint, a relentless trail of data. Like enduring footprints in sand, our online activity etches into the internet's annals. These footprints can forge or foil opportunities, and it prompts scrutiny. Does your online legacy reflect your true or desired identity? As we continue, recognize that today's digital footprints pave tomorrow's pathways. Soon, we'll learn how strategic, conscious tactics can mold these traces into beneficial milestones for a secure digital future. Navigating the data deluge requires a discerning compass. Information credibility is foundational to digital literacy, and students are detectives in discerning fact from fiction. Critical evaluation goes beyond superficial checks, embracing scrutiny of authorship, publication records, and supporting evidence. Mastery here dictates an informed, adaptable approach in the digital epoch. As we continue, we'll delve into proactive steps for safeguarding this knowledge for accuracy and the noble pursuit of truth. Amidst the internet's vastness, cyberbullying casts a daunting shadow. Identifying this digital harassment is key to empower and protect ourselves. Armored with the right strategies, documenting offenses, seeking support, we combat the bully's venom. By fostering safe digital environments, we preempt cyberbullying. Our narrative progresses with a focus on prevention through active engagement and unity, and soon you'll see how these efforts contribute to a respectful, safe online domain. In our digital odyssey's heart lies a critical mission: creating a safe online environment. Sound practices, complex passwords, and privacy settings act as ramparts for your data. Employ privacy-enhancing tools and robust antiviruses to navigate with confidence. Your actions, significant in shaping online experiences, should foster fearless exploration. As we chart our upcoming course, understand that protecting your privacy informs your indelible digital signature, your unique footprint in the digital realm. Managing your digital footprint is about curating a story through mindful interactions. Envision future audiences, employers, educators, reading your narrative. A positive digital footprint results from sharing constructively, reflecting your authentic self. It's a continuous journey requiring updates to mirror your growth. The segment ahead zeroes in on nurturing online critical thinking, in rooting your memorable footprint in truth and positivity. Critical thinking, pivotal in the digital realm, enables us to separate fact from fiction. As self-educating students, effectively harnessing these skills is transformative. Employ fact-checking resources to ascertain truths, shaping a rational, evidence-based understanding. In our next segment, we emphasize establishing supportive communities, reinforcing our shared goal of nurturing legitimate digital exchange, diligently combating the spread of misinformation together. As custodians of the digital space, we champion respect and counteract cyberbullying. This united front deploys support and camaraderie as core defenses. Simple, affirmative actions, reporting abuse, sharing strategies, foster protective webs. As we proceed, we'll explore how our collective critical thinking intertwines with digital safety, strengthening our resolve against the complexities of the online landscape in solidarity. Closing this chapter, we recognize digital literacy as our compass amidst technology's evolution. Internet safety, credible information, and respectful digital presence are not choices but necessities. we commit to disciplined, informed digital conduct. In this collective effort, our digital strides echo beyond screens, influencing future generations. Let's contribute wisely to the digital expanse, embodying vigilant guardianship, bearing wisdom and kindness as our banners.